Very good morning, dear students. So, today in English, we are going to see the grammar topic, and the name of the grammar topic is am, are. Okay, now here let's see about this topic. Children, do you know how we frame sentences? We need to frame sentences with the help of verbs. Okay. Now, dear students, do you have any idea about the verbs? Yes. In FA1 exam, we already discussed about the verbs. Okay. Verbs क्या होते हैं वो हमने FA1 की एग्ज़ाम में हमने सीखा था. As you all know that verbs as a action words, but as you have grown up, you should call them by the grammatical name is called the verbs. Okay, now we use verb in our daily routine. For an example, here I am going to give the example about the verb jump, run, play, laugh, sleep. Okay, so these all are the verbs. Yes. Now, do you remember about is, am and are? They are called the verb also. So these are the helping verb. Okay. Now let's learn uses of is, am and are in a simple sentences. Now let's learn about is, am and are. Okay, in simple sentences. Okay, here first one is am. I am a student. Okay, second sentence, I am studying in class 3. I am going to school. Okay, so here you can see I am a student. I am studying in class 3. I am going to school. Now we are going to see about is. Okay, इसका उपयोग हम कब कर रहे हैं वो देखते हैं. This is Mr. Sharma. He is a maths teacher. Michael is fighting with chairs. Luke is a driver. Ritu is a singer. This book is mine and the notebook is yours. The school is near the temple. This is a church. Okay, so इसका उपयोग के कितने सारे सेंटेंस हैं? 8 sentences are there. Now are. These boys are very naughty like you. Few people are honest. John, Ben and Meg are busy in their work. These books are very interesting. Some vegetables are very rare. They are watching television. Tables in this room are broken. Now dear students, remember this one. We use, okay, हम उपयोग करते हैं क्या? I के साथ क्या आ जाएगा? am. Okay, am with I. Second note, is with, okay, is किसके साथ जाएगा? He, she, it or any singular name. Okay. Now are with you. Okay, you are. He, she, it. I am. Okay, so are with you, we, they or any plural forms. Okay, जैसे कि one mango, it means singular. Then mangoes, okay, मतलब कि बहुत सारे mangoes. Okay, 2 mangoes. Okay, now are is used with you in both singular and plural. Okay, are का उपयोग कहाँ पे हो रहा है? We can use in both singular and plural also. Now here asking question, page number 46. Let's learn how to ask question by placing is, am, are. Look at the sentences. Okay, now here we have to frame the sentence. Okay, first one is Renu is a singer. This is the simple sentence. अगर हमें उसको क्वेश्चन में बनाना है तो क्या आगे आ जाएगा? is, I, s. Okay, is Renu a singer? Okay, हो गया क्वेश्चन. Now second one, father is angry today. मेरे पिताजी क्या है, मुझ पे गुस्से है। दिस इज दिस जस्ट सिंपल सेंटेंस। हमें उसको बनाना है क्वेश्चन में। इज फादर एंग्री टुडे? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, दे आर कमिंग। दिस इज द सिंपल सेंटेंस। हमें उसको क्वेश्चन में फॉरवर्ड करना है। आर दे कमिंग? क्या वो लोग आ रहे हैं? फोर्थ वन, ही इज इन द प्लेग्राउंड नाउ। ओके, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। इज ही इन द प्लेग्राउंड नाउ? नाउ रिमेंबर, sentences are mainly of two types. Okay, दो टाइप के हैं स्टेटमेंट्स, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस एंड क्वेश्चन. ओके, स्टेटमेंट्स एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप एंड क्वेश्चन एंड विद द क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, सो आप सबको पता है ना, सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है उसके नीचे मतलब कि इन द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस वी हैव टू पुट फुल स्टॉप. ओके, so by the full stop we can get the idea that this is the simple sentence. but उसके पीछे अगर question mark हो तो हमें क्या समझना है? this is the question mark sentence. okay, now here we have a more example. now fill in the blanks with is, am and are. okay, now yes, before 2 days I already sent this kind of exercise. okay, now let's repeat again. I am 9 years old. ओके, I के साथ क्या आएगा? am. निखिल मतलब कि बॉय है, सो ही नो, तो ही के साथ क्या आएगा? is. he, she, it. ओके, यस. निखिल is a good boy. that is a very huge building. Troy and Bella. ओके, Troy and Bella दो हो गए ना. सो ट्रॉय एंड बेला आर वॉचिंग कार्टून. यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. यस, वी आर ऑल इंडियंस. वी आर वेरी काइंड टू द पुअर. इट इज अ मोबाइल फोन. दैट बॉय इज सुनील्स फ्रेंड. 9-1 द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस रूम इज वेरी लो. आई एम Adam's friend. Where is my book? Okay, page number 47. Don't you know who I am? 30. How are you, John? 14. Who is she? No, हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं ना, ये कौन है? So in English we can say that who is she? अगर he है तो who is he? Okay, now 15. Is it Ruby? क्या ये रूबी है? Okay. Now make a questions of the following statement. One has been done for you. First one. The sun is shining in the sky. Now again we have to make a question mark sentence. So, is the sun shining in the sky? Second question. He is fond of reading books. Okay, ये जो लड़का है उसको बुक्स पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है. Now we have to make a question mark sentence. Is he fond of reading books? कौन? ये लड़का. Her books are in the bag. इसकी बुक है वो कहाँ पे? उसकी बैग में. So here are her books in the bag? फोर्थ वन, दे आर वॉचिंग अ मूवी. वो लोग क्या कर रहे? मूवी देख रहे. आर दे वॉचिंग अ मूवी? यस. फिफ्थ वन, ही इज गोइंग टू स्कूल. ओके, ये जो छोटा बच्चा है ना वो स्कूल में जा रहा है. इज ही गोइंग टू स्कूल? क्या वो स्कूल में जा रहा है? मिस्टर दास इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. ओके, सो इज मिस्टर दास an honest man? Okay. 7. It was dark and cloudy yesterday. Was it dark and cloudy yesterday? So in the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Okay. Her hair is grey. ये जो आंटी है ना उसके हेयर कैसे है बच्चों? ग्रे कलर के. So here you have to make a sentence. Is her hair grey? They are going to school. Are they going to school? Mr. Ram is a teacher. Is Mr. Ram a teacher? So dear students, today we learn about the topic is, am, are. Now please write down this exercise in your English grammar notebook. Thank you dear students. God bless you.